Mastery. How to learn anything fast? If you're preparing for any exam, then I must say you must be struggling with memorization. Even if memorization comes easy for some, the retention of information is the key in the learning process. Most of us do rote learning, for example. If there's an answer, they read the first line, then the first and the second, and so on. This will probably help you to pass the exam. You can vomit those lines on your exam sheet. But ask yourself and answer honestly, do you actually understand it? No doubt, learning is not an easy task. It demands time, focus, and motivation to learn. But it's not something impossible to attain. You can train your brain to remember better, learn faster, and achieve mastery in anything you want in your life. So here are some tips which will guide you to memorize anything quickly. The first stage is the input stage. At this stage, we put a lot of energy more than required to learn something new. We become bookworms in libraries, attend seminars and lectures, read newspapers, scroll mobile phones, and whatnot. But even after running from pole to pillar, our learning will still be shallow. One of the reasons is multitasking. We don't give 100% attention to what we're reading. Here's the catch. The quality of learning determines the quality of retention and recall. Hence, get back to the old days and do one thing at a time. Maintain complete focus on what you're reading. The next stage is the output stage. It's actually at this stage we should put our maximum energy. To move from shallow to deep learning, you need to work at the stage. Anyone can sit for 10 to 12 hours to study, but a master is one who gives double the time of input in output. The output stage is further categorized into 3 steps. The first is reflect. When you learn something new, pause for a while and think about what you got out of it and how you can utilize that information in your life, like in the office, home, and school. The second is implement. The majority of us, when learning something, rush to learn something else as soon as one topic gets completed. We don't give our brain enough time to analyze what we understand from it. So hold for a while, write down what you get, and try to implement that knowledge wherever possible. Mark it on your calendar, and just be practical with your learning. The last and the third is share. We've all heard it. The best way to learn something is to teach. There are 2 major benefits of sharing. When you explain something to someone, first, you'll be able to figure out your own confusing area. And second, you'll be able to pay maximum attention at the time of teaching. Hence, the key to becoming successful in life is to gain mastery over output.